everybody, this is Carolina Lizana, graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Monday, May 16th of 2011, and we're looking at the Q's daily chart. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend, and we're all back in the game. And check this out, what a beautiful bearish formations right here on our chart. First of all, what I want to talk about here is that rising wedge that we had formed on our chart, and we talked about it here last week in beautiful confirmation, beautiful breakout through that pink trend line right here, which was acting as a pretty significant area of support. We are breaking out of it to the other side of the trade. That formation is confirmed right here on May 11th, and we're closing below it here. We are still below it here on May 12th. And Friday, we are still there. And check this out. What else do we see here? See that 8 moving average here, which is in green on my chart? Yeah, that's our favorite moving average. So we are going from a bullish side to a bearish side here again on Friday. So we're breaking through that 8 moving average to the downside, entering into a bearish territory on Friday. So we have that rising wedge in here confirmed, which is a bearish formation. And what else do we see here? Again, the 8 moving average, we are breaking through it to the bearish side of the trade. So we are bearish according to the 8 moving average, and we are bearish according to the rising wedge. And what else do we see here on our chart? Remember that M formation that I mentioned here to you last week. And yes, finally, we have confirmed it here today, breaking through that low of May 5th, which was at the 58.08 mark. That was our key point right here, the 58.08 mark. And we're finally breaking through it today, confirming that information, which is telling us that we are going down. We are bearish according to our setups on our chart. And check this out. Look at the MACD. It's confirming that bearish move. It's pointing lower towards the zero line with another negative tick, a bigger negative tick. And look at this. Look at the volume, how big it is. We are going down on high volume, which is pretty good, which is a really nice confirmation. And look at this. Where are we stopping at here today? See that red moving average right here, which is sitting right at the low of today, which was at the 57.27 mark. And we are hitting it here and pulling back up and closing the day above that red moving average, which means that this is a pretty hard walk to break through. And we will need some more strength to break through it and close below it. If we ever do, check this out. There's another area of support that we need to pay really close attention to together with that red moving average. And it is sitting at the 57.18 mark. So pay close attention to that as well, because it's sitting right below that red moving average. So we will have to break through both of them. And then if we ever close below it, we could head lower to the next area of support down below at the 56.65 mark. And then we can head lower all the way down to that next area of support down below here at the 55.84. So that's a scenario here for us to watch. Or the other thing here would be that we could get a little bit of a bounce off of that red moving average, off of that low of today, which is at the 57.27 mark. We could try to push back up at least to the 8 moving average, which is here in green, and it's sitting right at the 58.54 mark. So pay close attention to that, because we could head all the way back up at least to that 8 moving average and then pull back down again, breaking through the 2 areas of support down below, and then we could head lower. So that's what it is for today. Hope it helps you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.